Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials, update your Quest 3 firmware, and the Meta mobile app so features match. Once done, put on the headset, sign into your Meta account, and open Settings. Make sure microphone access is enabled, position the mic close enough for clean capture, and run a quick voice test in a chat. This prevents noise and low volume later because a clear input yields better transformation. Now move to Avatar and Voice options in the System menu. Next, navigate to Settings, then Audio, and select Voice Effects or the Avatar Editor's Voice tab. You'll see presets plus sliders for pitch, timbre, reverb, and modulation. Pick a preset to start or build a custom profile. As you tweak each slider, use the Preview button to hear changes live because real-time feedback helps match tone and clarity. Make careful, small adjustments. Big jumps cause artifacts. When satisfied, save the profile as a custom preset. So finally, assign the saved voice preset to your avatar and enable it in voice chat settings. Then test in a private party or by recording a short message so you hear it in context. Make small final tweaks to reduce clipping or excessive reverb and confirm volume balance between mic and output. If audio becomes distorted, reset the voice settings to default, reduce effect intensity, check for firmware updates, and restart the Quest 3. That troubleshooting step fixes most common problems. Repeat testing until clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.